So in this video, we'll be going over step by step how you can use this 100% free bot that we never talked about before in order to make hundreds of dollars a day as pure passive income, because the bot will do all the hard work for you. So you obviously need no skills or experience for this, and it works all over the world. And guys, let me know down in the comment section the country you live in and win $1,000 giveaway as Ashley Brooke did by commenting down her favorite movie star. Ashley, send me a mail and I'll send you the $1,000 premium course. So guys, comment down below I'm coming from and type the country you live in. Leave a like to this video and subscribe to my channel with all notifications on to enter the contest to win this $1,000 giveaway. So guys, first of all, I want to show you that this tool is absolutely free bot and it's literally trusted by 10 million people around the world. So as the first step, you should come over to clearvoice.com. This is a platform that will pay you via PayPal. No points, no coins, no gift cards, but real cash. And according to SimilarWeb, this site gets 654,000 total visits per month. So more than 500,000 visits per month. And the most of the traffic is coming from the US. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, you don't have to do any hard work right here. The bot I'm gonna reveal you soon will do everything for you on complete autopilot. So what's this Clearvoice? Well, this is a platform that companies, entrepreneurs and everyday people like you and me come to buy articles or blog posts spending hundreds of dollars. Basically they pay hundreds of dollars per each article you submit. But guys, you will not need any writing skills as you will not be writing the articles you submit. The tool I'm gonna show you will professionally will do all the work for you. And you know what? It's proven to get results to a lot of people around the world. It will literally require just one click of a button to set it all up, and it's gonna work for you guys. And you can get paid again and again with clearvoice.com. And if you scroll all the way to the talent network, here you can write articles on advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. So in order to get started, you have to come over to talent network and join the talent network. And as they say, they're looking for clear voices, secure freelance jobs that are worth your time. Create a CV portfolio to get started. So let's start creating the CV portfolio. But before getting started, we'll check out how are you gonna get paid, what are the payment options they got. So how do you get paid? When you work as a freelancer with a Clearvoice client, you will get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. No messy invoices or waiting periods. It's the 21st century after all. So let's get started guys. Give your first name and last name and hit get started button. And here you can sign up via your email or connect your Twitter account or connect your Google account. So this is your dashboard. So you can see my name and the profile picture, and over here you can see you can add your YouTube account, Quora, Medium, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. The more of those you add, the better, because the higher chances of you getting hired as a freelancer, the more money you will make, obviously guys. So I highly recommend you to add as many social accounts possible. And guys, make sure to upload a photo of you so the people will know who they hire, and you'll get more chances of getting hired and make more money. In order to change your profile picture, you can click this edit info. So just before I reveal you the free bot that will make you money online, I just want to show you this. Here at Clearvoice, you can set up your own rate guys. You decide what you want to get paid. Set your range to see assignments relevant to you. So here you can charge $50 per article, $100 per an article, $200, $500. It's up to you, and get paid quickly. They will pay via PayPal, so you can work with confidence. You'll get paid on time. And guys, now I'll show you an example. Okay, you can see this person called Angela Tig, who writes about lifestyle, health, marketing and entrepreneurship topics, earns hundreds and thousands of dollars guys. This article might have earned her $100 to $500. This the same, and with all of this she has made thousands of dollars guys. See the amount of articles she has written. The thing is, she has spent days and days to write these articles, guys. It's a really complicated task as it requires her a lot of time, experience and knowledge with writing skills. But you will not have to do any of them thanks to the free bot I'm gonna reveal you now. You can scroll through this forever, guys. So this is just a reminder that this actually works and people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars from this platform. So to officially start working at clearvoice.com, you have to complete your CV. And as I have only given my name and my profile picture, it's already 15%. Give your details, your CV is important, and once you get it to 100%, you will be able to start making money. And to complete the CV, you even have to add content, guys. So let's start adding content. What are you gonna add? I mean, you can get an idea from this. So she writes about lifestyle, health, marketing, and entrepreneurship topics. You don't have to write the same. You can stick with some topics just like this. So she's writing about 1, 2, 3, 4 topics. So you can think of some topics and start searching on Google. So you have to come out to Google and search for what you're gonna write. So for an example, I'll search for how to start a medium scale business. And you'll get hundreds of articles over here. So you can scroll through some of these articles and choose one, and it says top 20 medium scale business ideas with medium investment. For now, I'll go with this, but you can copy the same article and sell them. This is written by someone else, and that's not your article, that's illegal. And now the free bot will come to play. So I'm gonna reveal you the free bot. It's already quillbot.com. And what this bot will do is, Quillbot will rewrite your text. Start by writing or pasting something here and then press the paraphrase button over here. So let's copy the text and paste it over here. So you have to copy by paragraph, copy a small section and come over to Quillbot and paste this, and within seconds, within seconds it changes the text. So it says, are you searching for medium scale business ideas? And the bot changed the whole paragraph. Now it says, are you looking for medium sized business concepts? So this text is all yours now. So you have to copy this text and come over to docs.google.com and start a blank document and paste what you copied, and come over to the article, select a paragraph and come over to Quillbot, paste it again and hit paraphrase, and then copy it again, come over to Google Docs and paste it. I'm not gonna take your time by copying and pasting the same thing, but keep in mind at Quillbot with a free account you can paraphrase just 400 characters at a time, so that's not a problem. And after you're done with that, you can hit file, download, and download it as a PDF document, as you can upload PDF documents to clearvoice.com. So come over to your dashboard, hit add content. Here you can paste your URL if you have a blog. In this case, we are not running any blogs, we are just creating PDF files. So you can upload or drag and drop a file as well. They support PDFs, JPGs, PNGs, and GIFs up to 100 MB. So go ahead and upload your file. It starts uploading, and then you should choose a category. So it's already business, and I'll choose entrepreneurship and business finance. And you can choose your primary role over here, a ghostwriter, content strategist, content type, it's an article, and you can give a small description about your article over here. And you can even change your document's name. You can change it as a top 20 medium scale business ideas, and make sure you upload a photo as well so that they will see your blog post like this. So in order to upload a photo, you can come over to Pexels. It's already pexels.com and search for a photo. Like I'll type business and choose a photo you prefer and hit free download, and then come over to your account submission. You can change the image by clicking over here, and you can give the date of submission. So today is 19th of July 2021, and hit update, and there you go. CV completion, it became 20%. And you can see the article the bot created within how many minutes? 3 minutes? Yeah. The more you do it, the better you become, and you'll be able to make more money just like these people who make thousands of dollars from this site. For you, it literally takes around 5 minutes to set up an article, and for them, it's days and days of work, guys. And thanks to Quillbot, you'll only spend around 5 minutes for an article. And I really hope you got a value out of this video. If you do, like this video, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button with notifications on, and comment the country you live in to enter the contest to win the $1,000 giveaway. Thanks for watching.